Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a new video. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, hey Ali, I need your help with Google Ads. Okay, my top of page rates and absolute top of page rate showing that I'm winning the auction either first or second between competitors. But when I look into Google search, my ad barely show, or either it's very down where even my impression is second or third in the auction. Can you tell me what is the problem I'm facing? Okay, so the pure problem I got it even from your question is, I strongly recommend people not to search for your own target queries or for your own website, because what is going to happen is whenever you are going to search your queries to see if your ad is showing or not, you're going to see your ad, but you are not gonna obviously click on your ad because you do not want your cost to go up, and then your ad will eventually start going down because Google will think that your ad is not attractive and people are not clicking. But basically you are searching yourself and you do not want to click on your ad to land on your own website, which is why I strongly recommend people not to search. The other way to figure out if your ad is being shown or not is to simply, this is one of kind of account dashboard. What you have to do is to go to your search and search ad preview. Okay, once you search the ad preview, you can see tools, troubleshoot, ad preview, and diagnosis. Use this tool to figure out if your ad is being shown or not. Write your target keyword over here, select your domain, select the device, and see if your ad is being shown or not right now, because you're seeing that this is not showing because this is not a targeted keyword that are targeted for this account. But this way you can figure out, just write the query over here and see if it's working. Like, let's say I'm targeting weight loss product, and I'm going to select my country or location from over here, let's say. Okay, then select the device for which I'm going to see, and if I have created any audience, I'm going to select it from over here, and then I can see my ad is being shown or not. This is the best and easiest way people I recommend. But if you are targeting the top of the page rate or absolute top of the page rate, your ad is almost definitely shown, and especially when you are winning the auction, it means that your campaign is optimized, your ads are optimized with the perfect standards. But again, in case if you are looking for a professional help, or in case if a question is being left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. And for the professional help, you can hire me and my team for Google Ads audit, setup, management. You can hire us through the link in the description, and we can help make sure to create an awesome Google Ads campaign for you guys. So yeah, this answers your question, and thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and as well press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, guys get a notification regarding it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.